Now, let's look at the reciprocals of basic ratios. Okay? You already know we have sine, we have cosine, we have tan. So their reciprocal is 1 over the ratio. That is 1 over sine, 1 over cosine, 1 over tan. So if we have something like this, for instance, say we are looking at this angle. Say this angle is alpha. For instance, say this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay? Cosine, that is cosine alpha is equals to adjacent over, that is B over C. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So, for the reciprocal of this, that is 1 over cos alpha, can also be addressed as secant. Okay? This you are seeing here now, we call it what? Secant. That is the secant of the alpha, the angle you are referring to. Okay? It means therefore, secant alpha is equal to C over, okay, let me put this one first, 1 over cos alpha, which is equals to C over B. That is hypotenuse over the adjacent. Okay? Hypotenuse over the adjacent. What about for sine? For 1 over sine, that is sine alpha, the name for it is cosecant. Cosecant. So, this is what cosecant alpha, cosecant theta, cosecant the angle. It also means instead of opposite over hypotenuse is hypotenuse over opposite. And if you look at this place, this is the opposite, this is the hypotenuse. It's hypotenuse over the opposite. That is what? Cosecant. You will agree if all of them have, we cannot throw away tan. The reciprocal of tan. Okay? That is called what? Cotangent. Cotangent. Okay? Cotangent alpha is equals to, instead of opposite over adjacent, we do adjacent over opposite. And here, the adjacent is B, while the opposite is A. That is B over A. Okay? Hope you understand this. In summary, we have secant, let's say secant theta, cosecant theta, the cotangent theta. It depends on the angle you are looking at. So this simply means 1 over cosine, that is cos theta. This is 1 over sine theta. This is 1 over tan theta. This is always where the confusion is. Some students will look at this cos. They think it should be for cosine. No, it is the opposite. This is for the sine, while this is for the cosine. Okay? So you can refer to this as hypotenuse over adjacent, while this is what? Hypotenuse over opposite, while this is what? Adjacent over opposite. Just the reverse of cosine, sine, and tangent. Okay? So therefore, you can refer to the first one now, which is secant, as sec. Sec theta. This one is cosec theta, while this is cot theta. Okay? I want to spell out before we leave this is for this guy. That is this. What I want us to do for this is, if we say, for instance, say cos theta over sine theta. Let's work this out. You agree with me? This is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse all over opposite over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay? You agree with me? You can flip this to have adjacent over hypotenuse multiplied by hypotenuse over opposite. So this and this will cancel. We have what? Adjacent over opposite. As you can see in this place, we've established that what? Cotangent is adjacent over opposite. It means, therefore, you can address cot theta as equals to 1 over tan theta, which is also equals to cos theta over sine theta. Okay?